I'm Amy Wagner with your Allworth advice. Are you on the fence about maybe buying a new electric vehicle? Well, you know it'll save you on gas, but what about insurance? Consumer Reports has done a story about costs associated with an electric car purchase. As mentioned, gas won't be an expense for you, and EVs, as they're called, also have lower repair and maintenance costs too. But insurance will probably be higher for you. The main reason, insurance companies don't have a lot to base their prices on yet. Your insurance costs right now take into consideration the odds of things like crashes, theft, and damage from bad weather happening to your gas-powered vehicle. The insurance companies have years of data to use to determine your insurance costs right now, but with EVs, they tend to cost more right now to purchase and therefore to repair. Zebra, an insurance comparison website, found that a Chevrolet Bolt EV cost $184 more a year to insure than a Honda Insight Hybrid, but $318 more than an Audi A4, which is a gas-only powered car. Here's the Allworth advice. Hang in there. As more EVs are purchased, particularly lower cost ones that are coming out now, your insurance rates will likely drop. For Allworth, I'm Amy Wagner.